Discover how nanotechnology is being used to develop high-tech fabrics, including self-cleaning clothing and textiles with built-in UV protection. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the fashion industry with high-tech fabrics and innovative textiles. Nanocoatings can create self-cleaning clothing that repels dirt and stains, reducing laundry needs. Some nanotech fabrics offer built-in UV protection, shielding skin from harmful sun rays. Nano-treated textiles can also improve thermal insulation, keeping wearers warm in cold weather. Researchers are exploring nanotech applications for sustainable fashion, reducing waste and pollution. The global market for nano-enhanced textiles is projected to reach $13.6 billion by 2025. Find out which accents are considered the most challenging for non-native speakers to master, including the Mandarin Chinese accent and the Scottish accent. Mandarin Chinese accent is considered one of the hardest to learn due to its complex tones. The Scottish accent is also notoriously difficult, with over 1,000 distinct dialects and variations. Non-native speakers struggle with the R and L sounds in many Asian languages, including Japanese and Korean. The Irish accent is tricky due to its unique intonation patterns and vowel shifts. Mastering the Russian accent requires grasping the language's distinct Cyrillic alphabet and pronunciation rules. To overcome accent challenges, experts recommend listening to native speakers and practicing speaking regularly. Learn how to check your vehicle for recalls and what to do if your car is affected. In the United States, over 390 million vehicles have been recalled since 1966. 1 in 5 vehicles on the road has an unaddressed recall, putting drivers at risk. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is responsible for overseeing recalls. You can check your vehicle's recall status for free on the NHTSA's website using your VIN. Dealerships are required to fix recalled vehicles for free, even if the warranty has expired. Ignoring a recall notice can lead to serious safety consequences, including accidents and fatalities. Delve into the fascinating history of bird-plant interactions, from ancient fossils to modern-day examples, and discover how birds have been planting trees for millions of years. Fossil records show that birds and plants have coexisted for over 150 million years. Some bird species, like the African gray parrot, can disperse seeds up to 10 miles away. Birds have a special gut adaptation that helps break down seeds, allowing them to germinate. In the Amazon rainforest, up to 90% of tree species rely on birds to disperse their seeds. Birds have been observed planting seeds in nutrient-rich areas, like abandoned nests and termite mounds. Today, conservation efforts use birds to reforest degraded lands, promoting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Be amazed by sculptures that defy gravity and challenge perception, including the works of Anish Kapoor and Salvador Dali. Sculptures that defy gravity and challenge perception have been fascinating humans for centuries. Anish Kapoor's Descent into Limbo appears to be a bottomless void, despite being only 2 meters deep. Salvador Dali's Gala Contemplating the Mediterranean Sea uses perspective to create a mind-bending optical illusion. The art of illusion relies on manipulating light, shadow, and perspective to deceive the viewer's brain. Some sculptures use mirrors and reflections to create infinite loops and impossible spaces. These mind-bending creations inspire new ways of thinking and challenge our understanding of reality. Meet HD 140283, a 13.8 billion-year-old star that's older than the universe itself. HD 140283 is an ancient star located 190 light-years away in the constellation Libra. This star is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. Surprisingly, HD 140283 was formed just 100 million years after the Big Bang. Initially, scientists thought the star's age was overestimated, but further research confirmed its remarkable antiquity. HD 140283 is a first-generation star, meaning it's made up of the universe's original elements. Studying HD 140283 helps astronomers understand the early universe's evolution and formation. Find out why discounts like 50% off or buy one get one free are so effective, and how they use the anchoring effect to make customers perceive the original price as more valuable. The psychology of discounts exploits our perception, influencing purchasing decisions with clever pricing strategies. The anchoring effect is key. Higher original prices make discounted prices seem more valuable by comparison. Our brains perceive 50% off as a bigger saving than save 50, even if they're equivalent values. Limited time offers create urgency, triggering a fear of missing out that boosts sales and conversions. Discounts activate the pleasure centers in our brain, releasing dopamine and associating shopping with rewards. We explore the fascinating phenomenon where NBA MVP winners often struggle to win championships the following season. Since the 1980-81 season, only 12 NBA MVPs have won a championship the following year. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the all-time leading scorer, never won a championship in an MVP season. From 2006 to 2018, 12 out of 13 NBA MVPs failed to win a championship the next season. James Harden is one of 5 NBA MVPs to change teams after winning the award, all of whom failed to win a title. The last player to win back-to-back MVPs and championships is Michael Jordan in 1996 and 1997. In the past 40 years, only Magic Johnson, Michael Jordan, and Stephen Curry have won an MVP and championship in the same season. Count down the top 5 goal scorers in a single season, featuring Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and more. The 2011-2012 season holds the record for most goals scored by a player in a single season. Lionel Messi scored 50 goals in the 2011-2012 season, a La Liga record. Cristiano Ronaldo scored 40 goals in the 2010-2011 season, a Real Madrid record. Ferenc Deák scored 66 goals in the 1945-1946 season, the highest total in European top-flight history. Gerd Müller scored 40 goals in the 1971-1972 season, earning him the Golden Boot Award. Just Fontaine scored 13 goals in the 1958 World Cup, the most goals scored by a player in a single tournament. From Jennifer Aniston's pregnancy to Tom Holland's Spider-Man exit, let's separate fact from fiction and explore why celebrity rumors spread like wildfire online. Celebrity rumors can spread in as little as 10 minutes on social media, reaching millions of users. 65% of people believe rumors about celebrities are true, even when there's no evidence. The average person consumes 4.4 hours of celebrity news daily, fueling the rumor mill. Celebrities often ignore rumors, as responding can give them more attention and credibility. Fake news outlets and clickbait websites generate millions of dollars from celebrity rumors annually. Only 10% of celebrity rumors are later confirmed to be true, making most rumors just speculation.